At Arts University Plymouth, our postgraduate programmes invite you to explore, question and refine your creative practice by engaging deeply with the cultural, technological and economic changes shaping the world today.
Here you find yourself at the heart of a distinctive creative community, an arts university run by artists and designers, for artists and designers. It is a space for thinking and making, where ideas are tested, shared and realised.
Our Postgraduate Centre is a hub for connection, linking you with an international network of practitioners, businesses and cultural institutions.
This cross-disciplinary environment brings together makers and thinkers from across art, design, craft, media and education, providing both critical insight and technical expertise.
It is a place that encourages experimentation, reflection and collaboration, allowing your practice to grow through dialogue with others and with the world around you.
Your studies will centre on making, supported by a community of academic and technical specialists who are practising artists, designers and researchers in their fields. You'll be encouraged to connect your work with our research culture, exploring ideas of sustainability, technology, materiality and community futures.
We believe the arts have the power to shape culture and society through the artefacts, experiences and ideas they create. Our postgraduate programmes give you this perspective to understand that landscape and the confidence to define your place within it.
Our portfolio of MA courses represents two broad pathways, a focus on design disciplines and a focus on studio art and media disciplines.
Our MA courses in design include design, built environment, communication, fashion and textiles, and they share a common concern for designing with planet and people in mind.
Our MA courses in the studio arts, media and craft include craft and material practices, fine art, glass, immersive media and museum studies, and they will guide the development of your unique, independent voice through self-directed practice, where you learn the critical conditions in which your work exists in culture and society.
Our expertise spans curatorial practice, creative entrepreneurship, education and socially engaged art. Each pathway gives you space to explore your interests through specialist teaching, cross-disciplinary debate and shared postgraduate facilities that bring all MA students and alumni together under one creative roof.
At Arts University Plymouth, postgraduate study is more than a continuation of your education. It is an evolution, an opportunity to refine your voice, deepen your practice, and shape the creative future you want to see.